What is up, you guys? We have a wild week coming up with the Fed decision on Wednesday, and in this video we're going to go over the $322 million worth of confirmed bullish calls on Tesla today. I posted these on X. I said these are not covered calls. Will big money be right this time? If you're not following me on X, make sure you go and check it out. Looking over here on Black Box Stocks at the bottom left side of your screen, you're going to see that Tesla was the highest confirmed bullish flow for the day with $322 million. $322 million in confirmed calls is a lot for Tesla. About 50 to 100 million is an average day. So to get 3 times the amount of bullish flow that we would normally get in a day as we're squeezing into a Fed decision is a pretty big sign. Now, last time we saw puts come through, obviously the next day that didn't carry forward. But I do think that this is something that we need to keep in mind as we watch Tesla move into the rest of the week with the Fed decision on Wednesday. The market is expecting the Fed to obviously not raise rates coming up in December, and really they're going to be looking to see how dovish they are with their outlook into next year. I posted on X today, but I do believe if the Fed even hints at potentially lowering rates next year, we will see the market rally drastically into the end of the year in a very greedy manner. And I think that that would probably put Tesla up at least $260, but I'd really say probably up to maybe even as egregious as $300 in the next 2 to 3 months, if that happens. Now, we have to talk about some major levels to watch going into this week. As I said before, the catalyst is going to be the Fed's decision. Nothing crazy is really going to happen tomorrow. I'm not expecting a break over 247.50 or a break below 235 by tomorrow. Wednesday, however, is where we will be looking to see if Tesla can break up over our pivot level of $247.50. If we're able to break over 247.50 and hold, we will see a breakout up to at least $260, which would fill this fair value gap that we have back here on October 12th, and that would be minimally a 7% move. From there, I believe that if we get enough volume to continue through, that we should see the next leg up to about $280. So I'm expecting within the next 2 to 3 months a move of about 7 to 15% either side. I'm saying that there's probably about a 75% chance it's going to be to the upside, but to either side. I currently have January calls. I was up about $4,000 a couple of days ago. As of right now, I'm about even, and I will not be adding to my position. I still feel very strong about my trade, but I will not be adding any more. Now, looking to the downside here, if we just remove this, you can see that there is a bullish order block down at $212. So in the opposite manner, if we were to break our previous week low pivot point here of about $233, that would give us this drop to fill the gap down here and drop at least 7% to the downside at 215. And then if 215 was broken, the next level is 196. So I'm expecting about a 15% move in the next 2 to 3 months, either up or down. And everyone's gonna be like, no shit, Sherlock, obviously. Anyone come on here and be like, yeah, we're gonna see a big move soon. But I'm thinking there's probably about a 75 to 80% chance that we're going to see Tesla rally in the next couple of weeks, as well as the market as a whole. If you look at where we are right now, which doesn't mean it's where we should be, the market is in a very, very greedy mode. You can see here, nothing but bullish order blocks. There's no bearish order blocks anywhere up here. We still have a fair value gap up to all-time highs. We have a break of structure, so we're breaking through this resistance point since we haven't been up here since July of 2023. Overall, the market's looking like we're going to break out to all-time highs. And with the Fed expected to do what they're expected to do on Wednesday, and like I said, the cherry on top being a very dovish tone going into next year and Q1 of next year, that would put the market in a very greedy mode, pushing it up into the stratosphere of $470 for the S&P 500, and for Tesla, the same deal, moving us up to 300, and then from there, I think we reject at $470. So I think SPY can move another 2% up to 470. I think we can see Tesla move its way up to 280 or 300 into the end of the year. And then starting January, the middle of January, I'll be very bearish on the market. I will probably start to put some call credit spreads in on my Tesla long-term shares and start hedging out my trades from there. But even looking here on a weekly time frame, guys, look at this bullish order block. There's so much money that came in here bouncing us off of this support, and there is no resistance levels besides this liquidity zone up at $300. Knowing where these big money levels are is extremely important. important. We use a SMC or a Pinewave SMC, which is a premium indicator in our Discord community. You guys can get access to that there. The link's in the description. Or you can go to indicators and you can type in smart money concepts and you can find the Lux Algo one, which is completely free. I hope that this video helped, guys. It's pretty quick, but today is just very slow and the next couple of days are going to be slow as well. So if you guys have any questions or anything you want me to go over while we're waiting a Fed decision, please comment down below. Check out our other channel, Traders Helping Traders community. Go become a part of our Discord community and get access to all of our trades, our trading bots, as well as our courses, seminars, and much more. Thanks for all the support, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.